Yes. Very, very good evening, guys. Very, very good evening. All right. So let us start our session here today. So guys, before starting our session, let me tell you, Saturday, there is no class. I mean, unfortunately, my health is not good on Saturday. I'm unable to take the class. So I hope it's okay for you. Kindly please don't mind. Without any prior information, I have canceled the class. Please don't mind, guys. Please don't mind. Okay. And yeah, right now I'm okay. Right now I'm fine. But on Saturday, what happened, once my office is completed, when I came to the home, completely, I got exhausted. I understand that I may not be able to give you my best explanation for you. So something like disease and thing of happened on Saturday. So what I did, Saturday immediately, I informed to our team in our Naresh IT, I'm unable to take the session. Please inform to my students. And immediately I had warm milk, and I just slept. That's it. Sunday morning, almost 7:30, 8 o'clock, I woke up. So after that, I'm fine. But I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry. Like Saturday, I'm unable to take the class. Please don't mind. Please don't mind. Okay. Fine. It's okay, Chandravan. It's okay. No issues. All right, guys. Thank you, guys. Thank you for understanding. And again, please, I'm sorry for canceling the class without any prior information. Please don't mind. Okay. All right. So, okay. So let us start our session here today. So guys, before starting our session, what are the topics which we have covered? I believe we have just a second. Right. I believe we have completed regarding, yes, we have concentrated on strings concept. We have completed strings, and after that we had seen, okay, what is the importance of SCP and heap memory also. And then I believe we have seen the logical programmings on strings also. Did we cover logical programmings, guys? Did we cover logical programmings on strings? Yes. We have covered logical programmings on Friday, I guess, right? On Friday, entire Friday, we discussed only about logical programming on strings. Yes, that is great. All right, guys. Right. Now, guys, in our very first starting days of strings, on Wednesday, when I started discussing about strings concept, I told you we can create strings by using string buffer, and string builder. Right? String buffer and string builder. Now it is the time for us to understand what is the difference between string buffer and string builder. Strings, like when we are speaking about strings, yes, of course, we can create strings by using string class. We can create strings by using string buffer class. And we can create strings by using string builder class. As simple as this. Now, guys, believe me when I say this, this is one of the most commonly asked interview point of view question. Trust me when I say this. One of the most commonly asked interview point of view question. You will get this question. What is the difference between string buffer, string buffer, and string builder? One of the most commonly asked interview point of view question. Okay, so we'll be able to answer this question once the completion of this session. Okay, now, so the very first point which you need to remember here is in strings. So guys, strings which were created by using string class. I repeat, strings which were created by using string class are immutable. Immutable. Strings, you already know this, am I right, guys? Strings which were created by using string class are immutable. Okay, Strings which were created by using string buffer are mutable. Strings which were created by using string buffer are mutable. In the same manner, strings which were created by using string builder also mutable. Guys, by the way, what is this string buffer and string builder? What are this string buffer and string builder? Those are, come on, exactly, classes. Those are classes. String is a class. Mukesh, these are classes. You need to say like that. String is a class. String buffer, of course, it is a class. It is a class. And string builder also, it is a class. So what I want to say is, if you are trying to create strings by using string class, those are immutable. If you are trying to create strings by using string buffer, those are mutable. String builder also mutable. Mutable. Now, dot equals method, EQUALS, dot equals method in string class, dot equals method in string class, it will, dot equals method in string class, what it will check, guys, you already know this. What it will check? CONTENTS, contents. Dot equals method in string class, it is going to check the contents. Okay. The same dot equals method, the same dot equals method in string buffer class, in string buffer class, it is going to compare the, it is going to compare the address locations. The same dot equals method, it is going to compare the address locations. Let me try to do one thing. Just let me remove this. I'll be trying to write like this. That would be better. So this is, I mean, dot equals method. It will compare the address locations. Now here dot equals method, it will compare the content. Let me remove this. Like this. Now dot equals method in string class, it is going to compare the contents. The same dot equals method, the same dot equals method in string buffer class, it is going to compare the address locations, address locations. And in string builder class also, it will check the address locations. As simple as this. As simple as this. Okay, guys, again, I'm saying you will get this question in the interviews. You will get this question. So please concentrate correctly. Okay. Now, in string class, strings which were created by using string class are immutable, and dot equals method will check the contents present inside the string. String buffer, strings which were created by using string buffer are mutable, and dot equals method will check the address locations. Address locations. And when you are speaking about string builder, same, exactly same. But sir, what is the difference between, string buffer and string builder? Wait for it, guys. Kindly please wait for it. I'll let you know. I will let you know. LOCATIONS locations. Just a second. Address locations. Like this. Address locations. Okay. I will let you know, guys. I'll let you know. Can you please wait for it? Now, let us try to work on a small program, guys. Okay. Let us try to work on a small program. Now, just where is my ID? Okay. Now, let me try to take a method. Void display method. Now, inside the display method, I'm trying to create some strings. Okay. String s equal to new string, and here I'll be going with Java, Java, like this. Now string, let me try to create string buffer, new string buffer, and here let me try to create Java, like this. Okay, equal to bufffer buffer. It's an identifier, guys. It's just an identifier, and string buffer, like this. This is string class. This is string buffer class. This is string buffer class. Okay. Now let me try to create string builder also. Okay. New string builder, and here I'll be going with Java, like this. String builder Java, like this. Now equal to builder builder string string builder string builder, like this. Okay. So right now I have created 3 strings. String builder string builder class. Okay. Now guys, are you observing the program? Can you please respond in the chat? Are you observing the program? Right now I have created 3 strings. 3 strings. First one by using string class. Second one by using string buffer class. Third one by using string builder class. Yes is an identifier. Buffer is an identifier. Builder is also an identifier. Just a name. Just a name. That's it. Not more than that. I hope you get, you are getting me. Okay. Now, for example, guys, yes, if I want to join 2 strings, is there any method present in string class? If I want to join 2 strings, is there any method present in string class? Yes, fantastic. What is that method? Concat method. Yes. Now, yes dot concat, I'm going with is awesome, like this. Is awesome, like this. Okay. Now my question is, can I write buff here? Buffer dot concat. Can I write buffer dot concat is awesome, like this? Can I write like this? Please think and do let me know. Please think. Sir, my first question is concat method present in string buffer class? The answer for that question is no. The answer for that question is no. Concat method is not present in string buffer class. Sir, if that method is not present in string buffer class, how can we call that method with the help of string buffer object? So we can't. Are you understanding me, guys? Are you getting me? So we cannot use concat method if you are dealing with string buffer. Okay. Sir, then what I need to do? Like I want to join 2 strings. Okay, guys. If you want to join 2 strings by using string buffer, then instead of concat method, we are supposed to use append method. What is the method name? What is the method name? Append. Append. Okay. Now the same method will be present in builder also. Builder class. String builder also. Dot append. And here I am going with is AWSOME. Is awesome. Is awesome. Like this. Okay. So guys, concat is a method which is present in string class to join two strings. Append is a method which is present in string buffer class to join two strings. Append is again the same method will be present in string builder class also, which is used to join two strings. Am I clear with this? Am I clear with this? Now, guys, here you need to understand one point. Here you need to understand one point. That is, point is every method present in string, every method present in string buffer is also present in string builder. Every method present in string buffer class, every method present in string buffer class, exactly the same method is present in string builder class. Same, exactly the same method. Sir, then you are saying that string buffer mutable dot equals method will compare the address location. String builder mutable dot equals methods compares the address location. Now again you are saying that same methods are present in string buffer and string builder. Then what is the difference between string buffer and string builder? We are not getting it. I understand. Wait for it. Wait for it, guys. Kindly please wait for it. Okay. Now, so remember this point. Remember this point. Every method present in string buffer class is also present in string builder class. Okay. Now system.out.println, system.out.println, and here from string class, I'm trying to print string class data plus yes. After that, now here I'm trying to go with string buffer class data, bufffer, string buffer class data, bufffer. I'm trying to print a buffer, and here I'm trying to go with string builder class data, and here I'm going to builder builder. Okay. Now, what is my expected output here, guys? What is my expected output? Datta, very good. Parvesh, no, wrong. Madhu, yes, good, very good. Mukesh, wrong. Krishna, good. Krishna, Naveen, Chetan, Suma, Mohammed, Manoj, yes, that is good. Right. Okay. All right, guys. Guys, here we will be getting our output as Java. We'll be getting our output as Java. Why will be getting our output as Java? Sir, strings which were created by using string class are immutable. Immutable, sir. Okay, that is good. That is great. What about string buffer? String buffer and string builder. These are mutable. M-U-T-A-B-L-E. These are mutable. Are you understanding me, guys? So here you will be getting your output as Java is awesome. And here also we'll be getting your output as Java is awesome, like that. Let me go to my main method, please. Now inside my main method, let me try to create an object, new class A, and please have a reference. AOBJ belongs to class A, like that. Now AOBJ, sorry. Okay. Right now, aobj dot display method. I'm calling my display method. Now let us check our output. Right click, run as Java application. Are you understanding the concept here, guys? Please do let me know. Are you getting me? Now, generally, what will be happening here, what will be happening, for example, when you are speaking about immutability, let us think that you are having a heap memory. Okay. Let us think that this is heap memory. HEAPMEMORY. This is heap memory. Okay. Now, when you are creating strings like this, just a second. Okay. Now, when you are creating a strings like this, let me try to, guys, I hope it's visible. Is it visible? Is it visible? Please tell me. Yes, yes, that is great. That is great. So just like this. Now, what will be happening here, first, 3 objects will be created. 3 string objects will be created, like what? Java, JAVA, Java. Just now Java will be pointed, Java that will be having an address location. Let us think that address location. Okay, I'll give you the address location also. Just a second. Let me try to create 3 objects. Okay, 1 and 3, like this. Just a second. Java. Like this. One more object. Let me try to create one more object. Like this. 2 objects got created. Let us think that this is having some address location as 741. This is having some address location as 752. And this is having some address location as 789, like this. Now, yes will be pointed towards this 789. Buffer will be pointed towards this 741. Buffer. Builder will be pointed towards this 752, like this. Guys, I hope it's okay. Like, are you getting me? Are you getting me? Yes. Yes. That is great. It will be pointed towards like this. Okay. Now, whenever we are using concat method, if you are using concat method, then what will be happening here, like you already know that actually. What happens if you are using that concat method? A new come on, tell me guys. What happens if you are using concat method? A new object will be created. Means this is the code. If you are trying to write our code like this, copy. Okay. Now let me try to write the code like this. Okay. Now this is the code. Right. Now, if you are trying to write the code like this, then what will be happening, for here, this statement, I'm speaking about this one. For this statement, entirely a new object will be created. Am I right or wrong? Entirely, completely a new object will be created. Means, let us think that entirely a new object, something like Java. Java is AWS for me. Awesome. Entirely a new object is created. That's it. And it is not having any reference, by the way. A new object is created, and let us think like it is having some 4 7, I mean, just some number, address, location. That's it. There is no reference for this. Literally, there is no reference for this. Now, when you are speaking about buffer dot append, what is the value of buffer? Guys, what is the value of buffer? Buffer value is Java. Am I right? Guys, you need to help me out. Please help me out. Buffer value is Java. Okay. For this string Java, you are adding another string, that is AWS for me. Awesome. Whatever the changes which you want to do, you are performing those changes for the existing object only. Here also is AWS. Awesome. Like this. Here also like this. Now, that is the only reason. If you are trying to print yes here, if you are trying to print yes value, what is the data you are getting? Yes. Yes is pointed towards 789, and you will be getting your output as Java only, right? But when you are trying to print buffer is pointed towards 741, and here your output is Java is awesome. In the same manner, builder also, the output is Java is awesome. Are you understanding me, guys? Why we are getting the output like this? Because strings which were created by using string buffer are mutable. Guys, is this justified? Is this justified? Is this point justified? Did you understand this point? Fantastic. Very good. Now, guys, please. Now, please observe here. Guys, in SCP concept is only available for what? SCP concept is only available for strings, string class. For string buffer and string builder, I repeat, for string buffer and string builder, there is no concept related to SCP. Always the data will be present inside the heap memory only. Am I clear with this? Right. Okay. Now, let us try to understand what is this dot equals method also. Okay. Now, guys, please observe here. String S2 equal to new string. And here I am going with Java, new string Java. Okay. Now I'm trying to take string buffer 2 equal to Java is AWS awesome, like this. In the same manner, string builder, BUILDR, string builder 2 equal to, sorry, this is string builder, right? String builder equal to like this. Okay. Like this. Okay. So I have created two strings. And I have created two string buffers. Okay, let me make this as buffer 1 builder 1, buffer 1, builder 1, and here also I'm trying to build. Okay. Guys, I hope it's okay for everyone. Is it okay? Did you understand the modification? I just changed the identifier names. That's it, not more than that. Okay. So now please observe here. Please observe here, guys. System.out.println, system.out.println, string class plus s1 dot equals s2. Now system.out.println system.out.println string buffer class plus buffer1 dot equals buffer2. Buffer1 dot equals buffer2. In the same manner, I'll be going with string builder class, and here I'll be going with builder1 dot equals builder2. Builder2 like this. Guys, did you understand these three statements? Did you understand these three statements? Okay. Can you please tell me what is my expected output? Please tell me what is my expected output. Right. Exactly. Guys, I will not be getting same. How I will be getting same? S1. What is the content present in S1? The content present in S1 is Java. And what is the content present inside S2? Java. Guys, content present in S1 here. What is the content present in S1? Java only, right? Come on. Once again, can you please read this? Please read it. Equals method in string class. What it is going to check? What it is going to check in equals method in string class? It is going to check the exactly contents, guys. Content. Come on, guys. This is very important here. Very important. So content present in S1. What is the content present in S1? Java. What is the content present in S2? Java. So true or false? True or false? True. Now in buffer, in string buffer and string builder, what dot equals method will check? In string buffer and string builder, dot equals method will checks the address locations. Now tell me, what is the output here? True or false? Sir, 100% false. Yeah, guys, 100%. Why? Because we are using new keyword, right? Whenever we are using new keyword, 100% a new object will be created. So here also our output will be false, and here also our output will be false. Right click, run as Java application, and this is my output. String class true, string buffer class false, and string builder class also false. Guys, I hope it's clear for everyone. Is it clear? Please respond to me, guys. Please respond to me. A very important point. Very important difference. String buffer, string builder. Okay. Now, sir, what is the difference between string buffer and string builder? Yes, guys. String buffer is synchronized. String buffer is synchronized. String builder is not synchronized. String buffer is synchronized and string builder is not synchronized. Sir, what do you mean by synchronization? What do you mean by synchronization? Guys, synchronization is a concept which we will be studying whenever we are dealing with multi-threading. But as of now, let me try to give you a very small example for synchronization. For example, right, how to say this? For example, okay, guys, I believe most of you people are having brothers and sisters, like, yes, most of the people are having brothers and sisters, right? Okay, you just imagine one small scenario. Your father bought a box of chocolates. Your father or mother bought, guys, if you are having brothers and sisters, fine, like, or else cousin brothers and cousin sisters will be there now, right? So just imagine a small scenario. Your father bought a group of chocolates, right? He kept that between you and your brother or else your sister, right? He told to take them nicely, to share equally. Is it going to happen? Is it going to happen? Right, right. So guys, here, okay, some people are saying sometimes and sometimes not. Some people are saying, most of the people are saying no, 100% no. Exactly. So here, imagine that box of chocolates is a resource. Okay. Now, yourself is one thread. Your brother or your sister is one thread. Okay. Thread. The name itself is thread. How we are having a name as constructor. Likewise, in our Java, we are having a concept known as thread. Now, how many threads are there? Tell me. How many threads are there right now? Like in this example, how many threads are there? 2 threads are there. I mean, yourself is one thread, either your brother or sister is one thread, right? So 2 threads are there. Now these 2 threads are trying to act on a resource. Am I right or wrong? Resource means box of chocolates. At the same time, what will happen? A small war will happen. I don't know about you, but in my home, definitely it's going to happen. Right? At that time, what will happen? Like, mother will be coming and she will try to divide the team members. Am I right or wrong? So basically what I want to say here is, guys, if 2 threads are trying to act on a resource, at the same time, we will be getting inconsistent results. Yeah, it may be a box of chocolates, or else it may be a TV remote, or else it may be a mobile phone, it may be car keys, or else bike keys. You can imagine in your own situations, guys. Are you getting me? Right? Yes. So you will be getting inconsistent results. In order to avoid that type of situation, in our Java, we are having a concept known as synchronization. If we provide synchronization, then what will be happening? One thread should act on that resource and the second thread should wait until the first thread has completed its execution. No chance. No way. Are you getting me, guys? Are you understanding me? For example, if me and my sister is there, we are, let us think that we are fighting for car keys, then my mother will come. She will say that first let sister go. What I'm supposed to do? I don't have any other option. I should wait. Am I right or wrong? Until her trip is completed, literally I can't do anything. That is synchronization. The same process we can achieve in threads also. So how to achieve that synchronization, we'll be discussing in our, whenever we are dealing with multi-threading. Am I clear with this? Now tell me one thing. I said string buffer is synchronized. Now tell me, can multiple threads act same time in string buffer? Exactly. I'm impressed, guys. Very good. Guys, synchronized means multiple threads cannot act on the same time. Right? They should wait. When you're coming to non-synchronized means, non-synchronization means multiple threads can act on the same at a time. So we will be getting, yeah, simply, you can think like non-synchronization means simply war. Yes, that is correct. I hope you're understanding me, guys. Are you getting me? Right. So regarding this synchronization and non-synchronization, we will be trying to discuss whenever we are dealing with multi-threading. Did you got it? Now, this is an interview point of view question. What is the difference between strings, which were created by using string class, string buffer class, and string builder class? Yes. If you are trying to create a string by using string class, those are immutable, and dot equals method will compare the contents. If you are trying to create strings by using string buffer class, those are mutable, and dot equals method will compare the what dot equals method will compare? Address locations. When you are speaking with string builder, those are also mutable, and dot equals method will compare the address locations. Then what is the difference between string buffer and string builder? Sir, string buffer is synchronized. String builder is not synchronized. Sir, then which one I'm supposed to take? Which one I'm supposed to use? String class or string buffer class or string builder class? Guys, basing upon your requirements. For example, in your project, if you are trying to modify string many times, multiple modifications are there in your project, then don't go to string. You need to create by using string buffer or string builder. Are you understanding me, guys? Multiple modifications are there means every time a new object will be created if you are dealing with strings. That is not recommended. So if multiple modifications are there in your project, we are supposed to go to either string buffer or string builder. If you want to use synchronization concept, then go to string buffer, or else you can go with string builder. This is the difference between strings which were created by using string class, string buffer class, and string builder class. One of the most important interview point of view question. Okay. Is it clear, guys? Is it clear? Now, guys, please observe this. One more method, void show method. Now, let me try to create entirely new buffer. Okay, new string buffer. I'm just trying to create string buffer like this, equal to SB belongs to string string buffer like this. Now, guys, for string buffer and string builder, there will be a default capacity. I'm not speaking about the length. I am speaking about the default capacity. the default capacity of string buffer is plus SB dot capacity is 16. The default capacity of string buffer is 16, guys. 16. I'll show you. I'll show you. Please observe this. Let me try to call aobj dot show method. Now please observe here. Right click, run as Java application. What is the default capacity? 16. 16 in the sense. 16 in the sense string buffer can by default accept 16 characters. Sir, after 16 characters, it will not accept. No, no, no. It will accept. It will accept. The size will automatically increase. Automatically, the size will be increased. For example, please check this. Please check this. SB dot append. SB dot append. Let me just try to use A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O. 16 completed? No, I think 15 completed. 16 completed. 16 completed. Now I have added 16 characters. I have added 16 characters. After adding 16 characters, I am trying to print the capacity. SB dot capacity. Okay. Now my output is 16. My output is 16. Just let me try to print SB plus. Okay. Capacity, guys. Capacity, not length. Not length. What is the length? What is the length? Length right now SB dot. Okay, just let me try to write like this. SB, sorry, system dot out dot println SB dot length. Just let me try to print length length plus like this. Okay, right now the length is 16. Am I right or wrong? 16. Okay, now let me try to add one more character. Append SB dot append, and I'm trying to go with Q. Okay. Now, if I'm trying to print the length, can you please tell me what is my length here? Here, my length is 16. Now here, what is my length? What is my length there? Come on, go ahead. I'm seeing your outputs, please. Exact. Yeah, that is 100% correct, guys. That is 100% correct. That is 100% correct. We will be getting length as let me check. Right click, run as Java application. 17. Sir, what is the capacity? What would be the capacity? So guys, after adding 16 characters, then the size of the buffer will increase basing upon this formula. Can you please tell me? How much? 34. Right click. Okay, let me try to get the capacity. Copy, paste like this, and here you're saying 34. Let us check. Is it correct? After adding 32, I mean 34, again the same thing. Current capacity plus 1 into 2. Likewise, the capacity of the string buffer will be increased. Guys, the default capacity of string buffer is 16. Default capacity of string buffer is 16. The size will increase basing upon our data. Whatever the data which you are entering, basing upon the data, the size will be increasing it. Okay. Right, right, right. Now, guys, just like string class, we are having some methods which are present in string buffer also. Can you use these methods? I mean, we already use length method. We already use capacity method. Can you say caret method? What caret method will be doing? Okay, system.out.println, system.out.println, caret method. Just for example, methods. Tell me. Plus sb dot caret 5. Tell me what is my output here. Tell me what is my output here. Index position always starts with 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Guys, don't forget that. Don't forget that here. Please, that is basic. You should not forget that. You should not forget that. Okay. For example, if we are using reverse, method, then what will happen? Reverse method plus sb dot reverse. Directly we are having a method that is reverse method. Reverse method, it will completely reverse the string. Entire string will be reversed. I hope it's clear, guys. Now, can you please do me a favor? Can you use these methods? Can you use them? Yes? Yes or no? That is good. That is good, guys. Please do me a favor. Please use these methods. And if you're having any doubts, please feel free to ask me. Go ahead. First, write this program. Please write this program. Please write this program. Krishna, array size is completely different, Krishna. Don't go with array size, okay? Pooja, how to compare data types of two objects? What do you mean by that question? I did not understand the question, Pooja. Gaurav, yes, of course. Same concept will be there for string builder. Exactly same, Gaurav. String buffer and string builder are exactly same. The only thing is that is not, I mean, string buffer is synchronized, string builder is not synchronized. That's it. Okay, Gaurav? Right. Pooja, for that, you don't have a specific method. Okay, you need to write the logic. You need to write the logic. Yeah, you don't have a specific method for that. We need to write our own logic. Guys, if you understand string class correctly, then obviously string buffer and string builder easily you will be able to understand that. I hope you understand string class correctly. Did you? That is great. No, Ravi, I'm good. I'm good. Thank you. Thanks for asking. Bhuvneshwar, Bhuvneshwar in line number 40, the capacity, once we have exceeded the default capacity, when you are trying to add one more character, you will not be getting any error or else an exception. What will be happening, the capacity, the default capacity of the string buffer, which is 16, will be increased to 34. The size will automatically increase after reaching the default capacity, Bhuvneshwar. Okay. Yeah, if we add one more character also, the size will be 34 only. The size will be 34 only. No, Durga, one language is enough, Tali. One is more than enough. Okay. Abhijit, yes, exactly. Exactly. Durga, did you understand, Amma? Supporting should be there, Tali. For example, if you are going with Java, supporting means SQL, HTML. Those are supporting technologies. If you are having those supporting technologies also, then that would be like added advantage in your resume. Yeah, we can store Alpesh, no problem. Please inform if completed. Krishna, that is hexa integer code of that object. Okay. That will be printed as internal implementation of toString method. Is it? I hope it's completed, guys. Is it done? All right. All right. So, guys, I hope it's complete for everyone. Okay. Please note on the output also. Please note on the output also. I mean, if you want, you can note down the output, or else you can take a screenshot output. No problem. Abhijit, toString method here. Did you remember when we discussed about object class? I told you object class, object class. Abhijit, did you remember that? ToString method, get class method, equals method, finalize method. All these methods are present in object class, buddy. You did not remember at least one method also. Come on, Abhijit. Right. So, guys, again, I'm trying to say regarding this 34, how we are getting this 34, we are supposed to use this formula. Current capacity plus 1 into 2. 16 plus 1. Current capacity is 16. 16 plus 1, 17 into 2, 34. After adding 34 elements, if you're trying to go more than 34 elements, then 34 plus 1 into 2. Like that. Okay. Rathod? Right.